Advanced Multimodality and Sensory Integration. Here is your same structured, beginner-friendly content for Advanced Multimodality and Sensory Integration. Beginner Level Introduction. Advanced Multimodality and Sensory Integration means using artificial intelligence to understand and combine multiple types of data. Modalities such as text, images, audio, video, sensor data. Humans naturally use multiple senses: vision, hearing, touch. AI is now learning to do the same. This allows AI systems to understand richer information, make better decisions, interact more naturally with humans. Examples include AI that understands images plus text, voice assistants that process speech plus context, self-driving cars using cameras plus sensors, medical AI combining scans plus reports. This topic helps beginners understand how AI systems can see, hear, and understand together. What is multimodality? Multimodality means using multiple types of data inputs. In simple words, multimodal AI equals AI that understands different types of information together. What is sensory integration? Sensory integration is the process of combining different inputs to make a unified understanding. In simple words, sensory integration equals combining multiple inputs to understand the situation better. Why multimodality is important. Single data type, text only or image only. Limited understanding. Multimodal AI. More accurate, more context-aware, more human-like. Basic modalities in AI. Modality, example text. Chat, messages, documents. Image, photos, diagrams. Audio, speech, sounds. Video, motion plus visuals. Sensor data, temperature, GPS, motion. Example of multimodal data. Data equals a dog is running. Image, dogimage.jpg. Audio, bark.wave. Example of simple integration text. Equals dog image equals dog image. If dog in text, print text matches image context. Simple multimodal AI example, Python. Text equals car. Image label equals car. If text equals image label, print matched object. How multimodal AI works. Step 1. Collect inputs. Text equals cat. Image equals cat JPEG. Step 2. Process each modality. Print, processing text and image. Step 3. Combine information. If text equals cat, print, cat detected. Step 4. Generate output. Print, this is a cat. AI in image. Text understanding caption equals a dog running. If dog in caption, print, dog detected in image. AI in speech plus text systems. Speech equals turn on light. If light in speech, print, command recognized. AI in video understanding frames equals frame 1, frame 2. For F in frames, print, processing, F. AI in sensor fusion temperature equals 30, motion equals true. If temperature, 25 and motion, print, activity detected. AI in self-driving cars. Combines multiple sensors. Camera equals object detected. LiDAR equals distance measured. Print, camera, LiDAR. AI in healthcare. Combines medical data. Report equals tumor detected. Scan equals image data. Print, analyzing combined data. Full menu-based multimodal example. Def process text. Text equals input, enter text. Print, process text. Def process image. Image equals input, enter image name. Print, processed image. Def combine data. Text equals input, enter text. Image equals input, enter image label. If text equals image, print, match found. Else, print, no match. While true, print, 1, process text. Print, 2, process image. Print, 3, combine data. Print, 4, exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, process text. Elif choice equals 2, process image. Elif choice equals 3, combine data. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. CAP, multimodal learning. CAP, data fusion, cross-modal understanding. CAP, sensor integration. CAP, AI perception systems. CAP, real-world AI applications. Real-life analogy. Multimodal AI is like a human using multiple senses. Eyes means see. Ears means hear. Brain means combine information. AI does the same with data types. Ways to improve a project. Use multimodal models. CLIP, GPT multimodal. Combine image plus text datasets. Use speech recognition APIs. Build sensor-based systems. Use deep learning models. Add real-time processing. Integrate multiple APIs. Build interactive AI systems. Common mistakes beginners make. Not synchronizing inputs separately. Ignoring data alignment. Poor data quality. Overcomplicating integration. Not synchronizing inputs where it is used. Self-driving cars, healthcare AI, virtual assistants, robotics, smart homes, security systems, media analysis, AR/VR systems. Large systems may include multimodal AI models, sensor fusion systems, real-time AI platforms, autonomous systems, simple definition, advanced multimodality and sensory integration. The use of AI to combine and understand multiple types of data to create a unified intelligent system. Final summary. Multimodal AI enables machines to check, understand different data types, combine information intelligently, make better decisions, interact naturally with humans. It is a key step toward human-like AI systems.